everyone, I'm Angela from SINOMADA China Limited. Today I came to SUNWARD factory, intend to introduce a hot excavator SWE215F to you. SWE-ILF is a medium-sized excavator. Its working weight is 21.8 tons, with maximum digging height 9,745 mm. It has one bucket capacity of 1 cubic meter. This model is very popular with South African customers, and we have exported many units to Colombia. Looking at the appearance of this excavator, we will find that its color, original blue, is very special and attractive. The cab design of SWE215F excavator is very comfortable and easy to operate. We can see its joystick, seat, and all other components are ergonomically designed to reduce operators' fatigue and provide a very good working environment. It adopted famous engine CUMMINS QSF4.5, power up to 129 kilowatts, matching 130cc electronically controlled large displacement pump. It also is equipped with big diameter main valve, which helps it respond fast and occur low fuel consumption. This is our introduction to the excavator. See you next time.